Hey everybody, this is Ashley from Crosstown. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit 4-wheel drive in brilliant black crystal pearl. This vehicle does seat you and 4 passengers very comfortably. Under the hood we have a 3.6 liter V6 with your 7-slot front grille, beautiful headlights. Taking a look down here, we've got your 20-inch mud and snow tires, as well as your breakaway side view mirror does come with defrost. There's plenty of more options we can take a look at. Let's hop on inside. Helping us into this Jeep Grand Cherokee is this keyless fob that does come with remote start. Hit it twice, it'll lock and start. I do have it started now because it is cold. As long as you have the key in your pocket or anywhere in your body, you can unlock it just like this. It unlocks nice and easy. Coming into the vehicle here, we've got your power locks, power windows, power mirrors, as well as your driver's seat preset. Cup holder with a little bit of storage down here. Over here we've got your automatic headlights, so you can set it and forget it. Beautiful black leather seats. Hopping on into this Jeep. Gonna go ahead and start it up here. It is push to start. Super convenient. Going through the display quickly, we have your tire pressure, as well as your kilometers here, speedometer. We've got your screen set up, stored messages, your audio, trip A, your fuel economy, driver assist. It'll tell you your road conditions here, back to vehicle information. Also, this vehicle does only have 96,940 kilometers. On the left over here we have your voice recognition, and on the right is your cruise control, as well as you have paddle shifters in the back of the steering wheel, along with your beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel. Over here we've got an auto dimming rear view mirror, along with your sunglass holder. We've got your buttons for your reading lamps, as well as a button for your power liftgate, which I'll show you guys later. Your universal garage opener is here, as well as it comes with a panoramic sunroof, which I'll go ahead and show you guys quickly. I'm not going to open it all the way just because it is snowing, unfortunately, but I'll show you guys here. Opens up nice and smoothly. Closes nice and smoothly as well. Perfect for those summer days to get a little bit of extra breathing room in here and air. Oh my goodness, I think I just ran out of gas. No, sorry, my bad. Didn't run out of gas. I accidentally turned it off. Anyways, going through your audio center here, we have your radio that comes with AM, FM, and Sirius radio, as well as your media where you can connect your phone. You've got your climate here, as well as it comes with driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats, along with your heated steering wheel and your mirror dimmer. Over here we've got dual climate control, so both you and your passenger can be happy. We've got your navigation button for your map, as well as Bluetooth, so you can connect your phone. Down here we've got the manual buttons for your climate, as well as your parking sensors. Over here is your rear park assist, your eco button, and your traction control. In here we've got an auxiliary port with a USB port and your 12V DC outlet, as well as 2 great cup holders over here as well. This little dial in the middle here is perfect for mud, rock, snow, whatever your climate is at the time, or if you're going 4x4, it's perfect, as well as your quadro lift air suspension buttons. In here we've got a little bit of extra storage, along with another 12V DC outlet, and there's plenty of more things we could take a look at in the back. Let's hop on back. Helping us into the back here, I do want to mention that there's this beautiful wood trim accent feature running throughout the vehicle, as well as an extra cup holder. Behind the driver and passenger seat you have map pockets and hard backing in case you have kids, so if they're kicking your seats it won't get damaged. As well as over here is your rear heated seats along with your USB ports, directional air vents. In the middle we've got an armrest with 2 extra cup holders. Leather seats, as I mentioned before, running throughout the vehicle. Taking a look in the back here, we have your parking sensors here running throughout the bottom, as well as your 4-pin and 7-pin for the trailer wiring harness, as well as your hitch. I'm gonna go ahead here and open this up. Before I open it up here, I'm gonna mention that this vehicle does have a backup camera. Opening it up here. There we go. There's plenty of storage back here for groceries and whatnot. Over here we got the button for your power liftgate to close it with some extra storage. We've got hooks on each corner on all 4 sides, as well as another 12V DC outlet. Go ahead and close it up here. It'll beep and then it'll close very smoothly. Great feature to have as well. Coming into the back, this side here, it looks just like the other side. I'm going to mention that, pull this handle here, and the seats do fold down as well for some extra storage, as well as we got your hook back here in case you have kids. It is child friendly, comes with the hook and anchors. Taking a look in the front on this side here, we've got a little bit of extra storage with another cup holder, the accent feature that I mentioned that runs throughout the vehicle. Your front console here, very open for some papers or chapstick, whatever you need it for a little bit of extra storage. That's it. I'd like to thank you guys all for taking a look at this 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee Summit in brilliant crystal black. If you guys would like to take it for a test drive, we're on the corner of 156th and Yellowhead Trail. It's Ashley. I'm out.